Hi clients, this is Dave Pulet and now we are here at Casara Urban Resort Residences and ipapakita ko po sa inyo yung actual unit ng Studio 22.50 square meter. But this time, naka-fully furnished na siya and naka-convert na siya into one bedroom unit. Tara, check natin sa loob. Yan. As we enter the unit, kasama na po rito sa kitchen area yung overhead and under counter cabinets. And of course, our countertop po is granite and may provision po rito for range hood exhaust and induction cooker. Bali hindi po siya kasama, kayo po ang magpo-provide niyan. Dito po kasama na rin po yung stain and seat natin and may nakaabang na rin po dito na grease trap. Alright. Punta naman tayo sa ating bathroom area. Dito sa bathroom area is kasama na po namin dinidelivered yung lavatory, toilet bowl, and of course yung rain type shower. And hindi mawawala dito yung provision natin for washing machine. And punta naman tayo dito sa ating living and dining area. Dito sa living and dining area, dahil studio unit lang po siya, itong space na to for our sofa, bed, and dito naman yung pinaka-dining area natin. And pwede rin tayo maglagay dito ng refrigerator. And of course, ito po yung ating pinaka-bedroom. Bali nilagyan lang po siya dyan ng partition. And may provision na rin po dyan for air condition. And bali ang unit na to is facing siya ng C5 Road across SM Pasig and Tiendesitas. Once again, this is Anthony Day, your authentic real estate salesperson from Empire East. And for more details, please message me here para makumpleto natin